you hear this creature singing in Alaska, run away.
Again, with another monster in Alaska.
These are Sadonaliashas.
What are you called?
These are
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
I'm just gonna call you Big Bird.
They live in the Kenai Peninsula, which is part of the Alaskan Triangle.
That Alaskan Triangle, man. It's always the Alaskan Triangle.
These are 10-foot tall creatures, covered in dark fur, and have beaks up to a foot long.
Too easy.
They mimic animal noises, or more commonly sing bird songs to lure nearby humans closer to them.
Well, thanks, Urban. I will never trust any animal noises in Alaska ever again.
Until they are standing right in front of you.
Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street?